Circle.
4 sides.
Good job. Get another one. Which one? Pick one. What's that?
Diamond.
Diamond. What's the other name?
No. Red.
What's the other name?
Red.
Rhombus.
Sorry, Mom.
Good job. Okay, find another one.
Oval.
Oval. What color is the oval? Orange. What's that one?
Right.
What is it? Triangle. Good job.
Yes, Mama. Triangle. I'll put that on.
Okay, grab another one. What's that one? Heart? Good job.
No. Yeah. Yes, Mama. No. Hexagon.
Pentagon and hexagon. Good job.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. What color is it? Purple.
Purple. 4 sides.
4 sides.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It won't stick.
Six.
There it goes.
6.
Get the last one. What's the last one?
So Mama. Where's the red again?
It's a green square. Good job.